From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Debate this evening, viewers. We've hit Pakistan, but we insist we hit harder. We're hammering them at the LOC, and we are keeping you up to date with the live action here on Republic and on Debate 2 this evening, viewers. Debate number 2 at 10. Arjun Rampal comes before the NCB, denies the allegations, but once again, what was being denied is very much under the scanner. With Arjun Rampal, the big stars once again are under the Bollywood drugs mafia investigation scanner. And debate number 3 this evening. We knew it. We knew he was incompetent. We knew that he was someone who is a liability to the Indian political system. But the sheer incompetence and inability of Rahul Gandhi to become a leader has been exposed by Obama himself now. All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines this Friday evening on The Debate Tonight. Watch how Indian forces pulverize Pakistani posts. The Indian army inflicts massive casualties to Bajwa's army. We salute the supreme sacrifice of 5 bravehearts who laid down their lives fighting the rogue Pakistani army. 5 Kashmiris killed by the unprofessional Pakistani army. Even a 3-year-old child was not spared. Prime Minister Narendra Modi boosts the morale of our forces. He will spend Diwali with BSF jawans in Jaisalmer.
मेरा ड्रग से तो कुछ लेना देना है नहीं, वो जो केसेस हैं उसके ज़रिए जो कनेक्टेड हैं मुझसे, वो लोग जो कनेक्टेड हैं मुझसे, उसके ज़रिए उनको पूछताछ करनी थी.
Big Bollywood names are now directly under the scanner in the drug investigation. Arjun Rampal questioned for 7 hours. And global embarrassment for Rahul Gandhi. Now even Barack Obama thinks that this man lacks aptitude and lacks passion. And ladies and gentlemen, the Indian army has given a bloody nose to the rogue Pakistani army that has not even spared a 3-year-old child in Kashmir. India has hammered the Pakistani posts, their bunkers and terror launch pads, inflicting very heavy casualties on their side. General Qamar Bajwa and his puppet Prime Minister, the cocaine addict Imran Khan, must watch these 6 videos of how India will not spare these cowards. And then after that tonight, we debate.
On The Debate Tonight, 6 videos from the border should give the Pakistani army sleepless nights for a very, very long time. Video number 1, opposite Keran sector. Pakistani bunkers and ammunition bunkers completely decimated. Video number 2, also from the same location. Watch how the Indian army successfully vanquished this Pakistani post after they attacked our civilians. In video number 3, there's total and complete decimation. Video number 4 is from Uri, where border residents and innocent civilians have been attacked by the rogue Bajwa army. In video number 5, the blowing up of the Pakistani bunker is a treat to the eyes. Watch. And video number 6 will show you how the unprofessional Pakistani army operates. Struck by Indian firepower, the cowardly soldiers desert posts and run.
Here we are joined by Major Dharamveer. Let me speak to him and ask him how the situation at present is. So what is the status as of now?
And there has been a ceasefire violation from across the LC. However, we have retaliated in a heavy manner and a befitting reply has been given to the adversary.
Uncompromising action by our forces on eve of Diwali. They've avenged Kashmiris who've been targeted by unprovoked ceasefire violation by Pakistan.
Today they have targeted a 3-year-old boy, a 3-year-old minor who hardly knows the difference between India and Pakistan. But this unprofessional Pakistan army, they are doing nothing but targeting civilians so that they can push in the terrorists to the Indian side.
Civilian homes pounded, 3-year-olds targeted, Kashmiris killed. India has made Pakistan pay for its misadventure along the line of control.
उड़ी हॉस्पिटल में यहाँ पे लगातार करीबन 1 घंटे से यहाँ पे जख्मी जो लोग हो रहे हैं सीज़फायर वायलेशन से उनको यहाँ लिया जा रहा है.
In 2020, Pakistan violated ceasefire 4,052 times. In the last 13 days itself, there have been 128 incidents of unprovoked firing.
When we talk about year 2020, so far 4,052 ceasefire violations were reported that had come from Pakistan towards the Indian side, and in these ceasefire violations some 47 civilians got killed and some 2,020 people also received injuries.
The morale of our troops is sky high as the Prime Minister gears up to spend Diwali with them in Jaisalmer. Here's what Pakistani army must watch once again because they dared to provoke India as they geared up to celebrate the Festival of Lights. Let's debate.
Sanju Verma, Ashok Pandit, General K.K. Sinha, Colonel R.S.N. Singh, Commodore G.J. Singh will be taking on Qamar Chima, Mona Alam, Omar Altaf, Arsalan Kokar and Javed Ghaffari from the Pakistani side. My first question is, on the debate this evening, Sanju Verma and Mona Alam. Mona Alam, my first question to you is, and you will be debating with the national spokesperson of the BJP, Sanju Verma, the specific pictures which intrigue me
just see, is it there?
of the Pakistani soldiers running away. If you look at the visuals, they are quite evident. You can see that there is a bunker. And outside the bunker, people start running away. Now, this bunker is on the Pakistani side. So these are Pakistani soldiers. Tell me, Mona Alam, is it normal for Pakistani soldiers to run away when they are facing fire? Because this is seen to be an act of cowardice. I'd like to describe the pictures again. You see the pictures, viewers. The completely destroyed bunkers, and one after the other, the Pakistani soldiers are running away. Can you explain what's going on, Mona? Why were they running away?
Look,
is this normal behavior from your side?
Look, I'll tell you what. So many times have I told you, and since you are...
I think I should remind you once again, it's high time you guys should stop doctoring these videos in your MCRs and your PCRs of Republic Studios, because I'm sure your viewers don't buy these things anymore. And they have ample movies from Bollywood as well, right? There's a big industry, Bollywood and Hollywood and so much more, even Tollywood. I'm sure that there are ample things that can entertain your viewers, and they can very much subscribe to those. But these fake videos are not going to help your narrative. Pakistan has never been targeting any civilians whatsoever. This is a fake story to start off with. It was
I will come to that later.
Indiscriminate firing.
Mona.
But look, you lost
Mona, I'm sorry to have to interrupt you.
I'm not happy.
Mona, I'm sorry to have to interrupt you.
Because I really want this to end.
I'm sorry to have to interrupt you, Mona. Mona, I'm sorry to have to interrupt you. If you can allow me to continue.
Yes, please.
The point that I'm making is you began by saying that the viewers of Republic TV don't believe me. Okay. and you say that the Republic TV technical team has made up these videos. Okay? First of all, I put this question to the test. Who do you think they'll believe? If people of India won't believe me, you think they'll believe you? Second question is, you look at the video, Sanju. This is not a doctored video. This is a real video.
Yes.
And you can see it's a Pakistani bunker. The cartography is Pakistani. The person running out of the bunker is a Pakistani. Now, Sanju, I think Mona is simply embarrassed that I've got the video and I'm showing it. You can see the exact moment. I'll describe it, viewers, if I see this full frame. You can see the exact moment when our forces hit your bunker. And look at how your ranger is running away like a wimp. This is a Pakistani wimp. The Pakistani wimp is running away in the face of an anti-tank guided missile. Your wimp ranger in uniform turns into a rat on the run.
There are no rangers.
And your bunker is blown into smithereens. You don't like Republic because we call you we call your army wimps, but these are wimps. These are what do you call a runaway?
Never to hide your embarrassment.
A man who deserts the battle. He's a wimp.
We have killed 6 of your soldiers, and I'll say that again. I'm not happy about it. But it's you, your government, who's costing them.
Well, I don't know.
Your government.
I don't know. 1 minute. 1 minute. Now. Okay, debate back.
Modi government,
okay.
Which is costing lives.
Yes.
On that side of the
okay,
border.
so Mona, now Sanju will reply to you. Sanju will reply to you. Let me tell you, a 3-year-old child is not a soldier. So watch your language. Sanju will now reply. You killed a 3-year-old Indian child in Uri. Shame on you. A country and an army of wimps. Sanju will reply now. Sanju will reply. Let's debate.
And we never kill civilians.
Arnab, can you please ask her to keep quiet?
You killed 4 of our civilians today.
Can you please keep quiet? I heard you. Please hold your horses, Mona. We heard you. Now allow me to have my say. First of all, Arnab, let me say I'm so happy to see you back in your studios doing what you do best, and here's more power to you.
Thank you.
Now coming to the moot point of the discussion. Now coming to the moot point of the discussion, let me tell Mona that, you know, there is something called living in denial and there is something called living in la la land, and you're doing both. And you're not even embarrassed. The fact that you have no regrets, that I'm not surprised, because the Indian leadership has called Pakistan the mothership of terror, and that has got an endorsement from bodies like the United Nations. Let me tell you one thing, Mona. The United Nations and the Iran and the state and the country called Iran have never agreed on hardly any issue. United States and China in the recent past have barely agreed on any issue. Large parts of the Arab world and the United States have barely agreed on so many issues. Large parts of the Middle East and the United States have not agreed on various issues. But if there is one issue where everybody has united and come together, United States, Iran, large parts of the Arab world and the Middle East, it is in condemning the mothership of terror, a country called Pakistan, which currently is on the grey list of the Financial Action Task Force. And mind you, if you don't comply with all the 27 conditions that you've been asked by the FATF to comply with, you've complied with only 21. Come February 2021, Pakistan will be downgraded,
and I don't know
upgraded into the blacklist of the Financial Action Task Force.
Because whatever that
so let me tell you, you can come and preen here. You can take the high moral ground.
Bogus.
You can act holier than thou. But the fact is that Pakistan today stands isolated, has been indicted of terror financing and money laundering, which is why you are in the grey list of the FATF. Please introspect rather than coming and giving a bhashan to Arnab Goswami or giving a bhashan to the Modi government. Imran Khan today is fighting for his own legitimacy. 11 parties in the opposition have denounced Imran Khan. Ayaz
No matter
Sadiq
how-
of the Pakistan
no matter how
Muslim League,
bad Arnab
after
abuses
Abhinandan came
Rahul
back,
Gandhi,
he said,
no matter what
he
campaign
said
Arnab
Kamar
takes up against
Bajwa
Rahul
and
Gandhi,
Shah,
but it's not going to
Mahmood
evict your
Ansari
Prime
were
Minister of his
trembling. They
illegitimacy.
feared that the Modi
Please.
government would act in retaliation
Your
if
own Prime
Abhinandan
Minister,
was
I'm
not
feeling so
returned
sorry
back
for you. You're a
safe and
spokesperson
sound.
for Mr.
So
Modi.
please keep your false
I'm
bravado
really sorry
to
for you, madam.
yourself.
You're a spokesperson for
Pakistan
Mr. Modi,
has been going
and I
to
know
the
you're in a
IMF.
Well, I would like to.
It's so difficult.
I would like
It's
to.
rather impossible.
I would like to bring everyone into the debate. Now that we've had the opening round between Sanju Verma and Mona Alam.
In terms of GDP.
Mona, if you allow me, let's get everyone quickly into the debate. Excuse me. I have with me General K.K. Sinha tonight. I also have Ashok Pandit and R.S.N. Singh. Let me bring R.S.N. Singh into the debate with Kamar Chima. And I now present to you the other video. Did you notice, RSN, that when I was showing evidence and visuals, and I told the Pakistani protagonist, ki, look here are the visuals of your soldier running away. And I called them names. I called them Pakistani wimps. I called them Pakistani rats. They still could not reply, despite all the words that I used. You know why, RSN? Because we have caught them on camera, and that shameless smile on Kamar Chima's face only reveals the fact that they have lost any sense of self-esteem. RSN.
Then I should need to tell you the meaning of shamelessness. What is what is
No, don't teach me what it means. The meaning of shamelessness is being a Pakistani, so I don't need to know that. I'm an Indian.
What is shame? Shame is to make doctored videos.
Yeah, the meaning of shameless is running away from your bunker. That's the meaning of shameless.
एक मिनट Bollywood, एक मिनट चीमा साहब I think अरे भाई make such kind of videos.
These are accurate videos being shown on Republic.
Me to speak यार आप अपने टर्न पे बोलना ना. India making doctored videos now. एक मिनट to satisfy the Indian society, the Indian government is doing sufficient. Narendra Modi is doing sufficient for its people. Narendra Modi needs dead bodies to have his politics in the business. Narendra Modi needs dead
Stop
bodies.
obsessing about Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Take his name with respect.
Can I speak now?
RSN is on the debate.
1 minute.
RSN Singh is on the debate.
You need 1 minute. We can give you.
चीमा साहब
If you need dead soldiers,
अरे यार बड़े अजीब आदमी हैं आप सुनते ही नहीं है आपसे इतनी मैं आग्रह कर रहा हूँ आप सुनते ही नहीं है अरे भाई एक मिनट यार एक मिनट आपको वर्बल डायरिया हो गया है क्या अरे बोलने दो यार इट्स सच अ सोमवार ओकेजन फर्स्टली अरे एक मिनट यार एक मिनट अरे यार दिस पाकिस्तानीज डोंट हैव सिंपल मैनर्स मैं कह रहा हूं कि सुनिए फर्स्टली
आई एग्री दे डोंट
वेलकम बैक सेकेंडली एक मिनट यार
Don't you think of
एक मिनट
You talk of that as well?
अरे यार या तो बात करो या कॉफी पी लो यार
You just continue.
ये क्या डिबेट हो रहा है
Come on, be quiet.
नहीं मैं कह रहा हूं कि now I have removed my earplug so that this his dirty voice doesn't enter my ears. Editor sir, firstly welcome back. Secondly, happy Diwali to everybody, and a very special happy Diwali to my Pakistani panelists here. Today is the day you must remember your ancestors who celebrated Diwali, with full gusto. And today also we have invited you on the LOC to, celebrate with the same gusto. And you really need to invoke your ancestors because you really, Saraswati deserted you long back. But you really need Lakshmi, because you are going around, going around the whole world, with a begging bowl. So I wish you a happy Diwali. Go back.
Oh, really?
Go back, invoke your ancestors. Maybe Lakshmi may come to your aid,
Just to fight the COVID-19.
Instead of begging, the Saudis and the Chinese, etc. Now what has happened is, Chima, that you chose a very, very sinister time. The timing was very sinister, and you never expected that you are going to invite this kind of a destruction. And let me tell you, I have served on the LOC. The punishment that has been meted out to you. I mean, I don't think that you expected this kind of a punishment. And I know why you have done it, why you have chosen this timing. Firstly, because you know that there is going to be the onset of snow season. So you wanted to infiltrate some of your, those cowardly commandos. I know they are active in that area. Secondly, you are doing it at the behest of the Chinese, who you think are on our right flank, and we have given them a bloody nose. We have also told them that look, we will decide things as per our convenience. They are desperate to withdraw. And that is why they have activated you. So the whole country is watching, the whole world is watching as to how we are dealing with a two-front situation. So Cheema साहब, आप जो भी करोगे उसका जवाब हमारे पास है. और मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं, आज का जो मैंने देखा है, you have been punished by direct firing weapons. आपको फौज में अगर थोड़ा सा भी एक्सपीरियंस होगा, हमने वो रूटीन वाली आर्टिलरी और मोटर शेलिंग नहीं की है. We have carried out direct firing, and that is why Arnab used the right word. I mean, you were blown up in smithereens. We have suffered casualties because we know we are dealing with jihadis, but this will be the disproportionate
the videos.
This is the disproportionate punishment.
Cheema, will you receiving? Will you? Cheema, 1 second, Cheema, this is a Balakot types of operation. Yeah.
We don't retain the ability, or we don't retain the initiative to carry out. This is a very
absolutely. Now my point is to Ashok Pandit and General KK Sinha.
And remember, Cheema sir,
I want to show the pictures. Ashok, before I come to you, I'd like to go to General KK Sinha, who specializes in destroying Pakistanis. We must see the visuals again, in my view. Let us pull out video 2 from Keran. ये बहुत मजा आता है मुझे देखने में. Now, if you see these visuals, within moments your ammunition bunker is reduced to rubble, dust. Just finished. Look at this video. Now I will show you video 3. Opposite Keran, your bunkers are burning, your posts are reduced to ash. Do you realize? Burning, finished. Now video 3 from opposite Keran sector, the entire post of your terror army is crushed with just one smartly shot anti-tank guided missile. It glides in so smoothly and finishes it. Right? And if you look at video 4, which is opposite Keran sector, your entire post is splattered into bits and pieces when we hit you. Just finished. Destroyed. Now these videos, which my Pakistani friends today are saying, General KK Sinha, they say that I have manufactured these videos. General KK Sinha, why are these people in denial? Why can't they accept that yes, you really hammered us? You hammered us really badly. The visual evidence is so striking today, and I commend the Indian Army for showing the people of India these pictures today. General Sinha, I'd like you to come into the debate. Can you please explain to these Pakistanis what these videos are about? इनको देख के समझनी चाहिए बात. General KK Sinha, in army terms, आप समझाइए. What did the visuals show? You can speak, and then Omar Altaf can respond to you. Omar, General KK Sinha, remember, has personally caught the neck of many Pakistanis during Kargil and killed many of them. So don't disturb him when he's speaking. After he finishes, you can reply. General KK Sinha, please.
Has General Sinha lost the count of Indian soldiers killed today?
Okay, now, Omar, just a minute.
Sit down.
Before this, a hero was speaking. Before this, a hero of India was speaking. And now, thank you. Welcome back. let me say, Arnav,
Thank you, sir.
let me thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's good to be back.
Now listen. Today you have,
will be in body bags.
and I'm so happy, Arnav. You have shown only 6 videos. It has started 11:30, and now the time is 9:30 in the night. We are hammering this Kurdish army, this rogue army, starting.
We're hammering the hell out of the Pakistanis.
Tandhar, Uri. We are going
to open up in Nowshera. Listen, Omar, please listen to me. We have just started.
Please listen to me. We have just started a direct firing weapon. ATGM has been opened up. You know, the medium guns will be firing in a direct firing round. You will deceive Majid. It will be more pulverizing than what we did in Balakot, what we did in the surgical strike. Just wait and see now. You have started this. Mr. Omar, tell Mr. Bajwa, tell he is not a general. He is heading a rogue army. Please understand this. We have seen enough of this rogue army, coward army. Your Punjab regime doesn't want to come into this area. You have sent the NLI. And you know what is happening to them? One by one, each ammunition dump, all your 18 launch pad, your complete bunkers, your will be blown up. You have just seen 6 videos. You are telling the public has generated this picture and tried to make it. Mr. Omar, you have just seen 1 video. Your cowardice army, your soldiers running away. You know, we have lost 5 soldiers.
Omar, louder.
They have done it.
The help of Karan Johar to make these videos.
Direct firing. ATGM.
I know the Bollywood has progressed in leaps and bounds over the years.
You know what is direct fire assault is? Mr. Omar, it is just the beginning.
Did you also make videos of Indian soldiers being butchered by the Chinese? I want to see those videos.
Now the question goes, I'd like Ashok Pandit to come in. I want to show video 6 viewers. Ashok Pandit, please pay close attention, my friend. Ashok Pandit will now debate with Arsalan Khokar from Islamabad. Ashok Pandit and Arsalan Khokar from Islamabad will debate. Viewers, I present you video 6. And I don't know why the Pakistanis, if these are videos that I have produced, then why are you getting nervous? Ashok Pandit, if these are fake videos that I'm showing, then why are they getting angry? Don't get angry. The fact is, these are real videos. Video 6 viewers, please pay close attention. Arsalan Khokar is a journalist from Islamabad.
Should I speak?
Arsalan, look at this beautiful video.
Should I speak? Can you give me only
Can I say one thing and then you can speak, okay?
I don't know why.
I will give you a minute, but I want to describe this beautiful video. This beautiful video, Arsalan, I'll describe and then I will hand it over to you. Let me describe it, Arsalan. Arsalan, I'm doing commentary over the video. In these videos, the entire bunker of yours is flattened into non-existence. Just look at the manner in which the bunker does not exist after it is hammered. Arsalan, yes, over to you, please.
With India, and
what are you saying, Arsalan?
Show you
Speak.
The real face. I have a lot of videos. Can you play those videos on your channels? I have a lot of videos. Can you play those videos on your channel?
I'm showing the videos right now. Have you seen these videos?
Troops were firing on a girl of 11 years old.
We don't need your certificate. Very soon you will see
Indian troops, which is the main fact. The Indian always started firing alongside the LOC, and you guys are saying that the temper videos you are showing on your channels, nobody accepts those videos in the world. Let me show you the real face. What has been written in American? No, what has been written by the Americans? India is the biggest terrorist state. India always put their troops to make more insurgencies into this territory. India is a terrorist state. Everybody knows that. Why Modi was on the top list? Why Modi was on the top list of Google?
of
Modi was on the
Pakistan.
top
We
list of
will see to it.
terrorists.
This government
That's
and this
your
country
fate.
will
Modi
see
is a
to it
butcher of
that your
Gujarat, and
country,
you guys
entire
give him a
country
chance.
is blasted
As
off
a
the
Prime
way
Minister,
this
this
bunker of yours
this is
has
something
been
you guys
blasted
should
off today.
very
Your own
speaking
member of
without
parliament,
speaking,
your
without
own
speaking,
member of
you
parliament
guys can
will
speak. I don't
accept
know
it very soon
what kind of
that
guys
this
you are.
country of ours has demolished, has blasted off your bunkers today.
Arsalan.
Our heart goes out to the small kids.
Arsalan.
Our heart goes out to our soldiers.
Has not been
But let me
finished
tell
yet.
you
Arsalan.
that
We have
this
3
country
more
is one of
months.
the
You
most
guys have
strongest
already
country,
violated
and we'll
a
teach you
lot of
lesson.
times ceasefire.
This country of Pakistan
What about-
is based,
what about water
its
treaty?
entire
What you guys have
identification
done?
is
The
based
water
on
Arsalan.
treaty
terrorism.
in Karachi
Its entire
and
engine is
signed
based
by
on terrorism. You believe in
Pandit
bloodshed.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
You
What you
believe in
have done?
violence.
Oh,
You
come
believe
on,
in
come
killing
on!
of
Don't do
people.
this! Don't
But
do
let
this!
me tell you,
Let's
Arsalan,
speak healthy.
Arsalan.
Let's debate healthy. If you are not debating healthily, how can I debate with you guys? You are not debating actually.
Your country's existence will end very soon. I'm telling you, Arsalan. Don't play with us.
Let me
And
tell
very
you,
soon you will see
I
that your
have
own
heard
member of
Mr.
parliament
K.K. Sinha. I
will
have heard.
accept this.
I think he
Your
needs some
own
calcium tablets because
parliamentarian
nobody
will
general
accept
is
this
that
in the
kind of a
parliament
weak voice.
that India
What K.K. Sinha has.
India blasted off your bunker today. You don't have. We don't need your certificate.
That's why you
we
are.
know what
That's
you're
why
doing.
you are
We know
blasted
how
because
capable
your
our army
bunkers
is.
are
We
being
know
destroyed by
how capable our
Pakistani
security
army
forces
in
is.
the reply.
We know how
Arsalan,
capable-
Arsalan is now debating. Arsalan, a small question to you. A small question to you. Listen, Arsalan. My Diwali gift to you, Arsalan. Listen to me. My Diwali gift to you. Right? My Diwali gift to you and to Javed Ghaffari. There is a man called Javed Ghaffari on the program, viewers. Every time he comes on the program, he is unable to put his point across. Javed Ghaffari को problem है अशोक पंडित की वो बोल नहीं पाते हैं जब डिबेट में बुलाते हैं तो आज मैं और एक मौका दूंगा इन्हें Javed Ghaffari, on Diwali I will give you a gift. I promise
I am ready to take your gift and
that you will now face firing from... No, I wanted... One second. You know, I was doing my program in the Hindi channel Republic Bharat, India's #1 Hindi channel. And one of the Pakistani panelists came on the program. And I'm not making this up. She said that, I said, why is the Pakistani army, men, why are they running away? जावेद जी एक मिनट मेरी बात सुनिए मैंने कहा कि ये वीडियो में देखा जा रहा है कि पाकिस्तानी आर्मी के लोग भाग रहे हैं
सरकार ये देश हमारा और हमें आपकी सर्टिफिकेट की जरूरत नहीं है
तो उन्होंने कहा the Pakistani panelist said Ashok Pandit the Pakistani panelist told me that in our country our army is given a special course on how to run. Our army is given a special course on how to run when the Pakistanis face firing from Indians. उन्होंने कहा आर्मी में पाकिस्तानी आर्मी एक कोर्स होती है हमारी फौज में ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है कि इंडियन आर्मी जब आए कैसे भागनी चाहिए शी सेड इट नहीं हंसने वाली बात नहीं है गफारी जी
वहां पर सिर्फ इसी चीज की
शी सेड इट
कि भागे कैसे इनकी ट्रेनिंग वही है कि भागे कैसे
नो दिस वाज अ फैक्ट गफारी
हिंदुस्तान ने आक्रमण
आई वाज शॉक्ड इफ यू आस्क मी यस गफारी व्हाट आर यू सेइंग
पाकिस्तान को नस्ते नाबूद कर दिया
चुप करवाए ना मैं तो नहीं बोल रहा आप बोल रहे हैं
मैं आपको बता रहा हूं ना क्योंकि इनको ये पता नहीं है कि हमारी सरकार
ओ भाई जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं इसकी इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलूंगा नहीं तो आप तकलीफ में आ जाएंगे आप गरजे वो बरसे नहीं आप पाकिस्तान बरसने वाले नहीं और बरसेगा भी सही आपको तकलीफ भी देगा
पाकिस्तान जो है
अशोक जी के सिन्हा आपको तकलीफ तो पहुंचेगी क्योंकि पाकिस्तान तो पैदा ही आपको तकलीफ पहुंचाने के लिए हुए आप जरा बताएं कितने आदमी हैं जो आपके मारे गए आप आर्मी का जिक्र क्यों नहीं करते
खत्म हो चुका है
इंडियन आर्मी का बताएं ना कितने लोग गए
दुनिया आपको टेररिस्ट नेशन बुलाती है पूरी दुनिया पूरा विश्व आपको टेररिस्ट नेशन
आप देंगे
आपको इस बात का एहसास है कि नहीं
आप देंगे
इसीलिए आप ही का मंत्री
पूरी दुनिया
आप ही का मंत्री पार्लियामेंट में खड़ा होकर बोलता है कि हिंदुस्तान
But the important thing also is
हिंदुस्तान ने हमको
the Jal K.K. Sinha is also on the debate. Jal K.K. Sinha is on the debate. Jal K.K. Sinha with Arsalani had to respond to him. Jal K.K. Sinha, General K.K. Sinha, Jal K.K. Sinha. The important thing, General Sinha, is that is that the fight against the Pakistanis are being led now by people from Kashmir. The Kashmiris will fight them. I think that's the point. The people who have been killed are Kashmiris. So Pakistan is deliberately killing Kashmiris. Right?
Absolutely.
Talib Ahmad Mir, Kashmiri, Faruqa Begum, Ishad Hussain, Nasir Hussain, fighting for their life in a critical condition, all Kashmiris. This point must also be emphasized. Tell KK Sinha, please. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, Arnav, you know, when these Kashmiris, to whom they were saying that they want to come as to save them, they will fight back. You listen to people from Gurez. I've been listening to the people from Uri. They have been saying, I'm getting the phone call.
Very respectable, but you should not lie.
You are a rogue man sitting on the TV. You are a condemned guy. You are a terrorist sitting on the TV. You know, Mr. Kamar Chima, what are you? You are the spokesperson. You are the snooch. You are the bone of ISI and Pakistan Army. You are a rogue chap. You are a cowardice guy. You do not know what you are doing. I have taught the lesson to the Pakistanis. Today, the people of Kashmir, the people from Gurez, from Bandipora, from Kupwara, from Punch, they will come. Mr. Yes, it has just started at 11:30 in the morning. He has just shown you six videos.
I've shown you 6 videos tonight. General, no. I'd like Commodore GJ Singh also to come into the debate. I've shown the videos. I've shown the videos. My challenge to these Pakistanis is, General GJ Singh, I've shown 6 videos out of many where we have destroyed the Pakistani positions. They say we have also retaliated. Then show me your videos. Show me your videos.
We don't have any
because all that you have done is that you have been killing Kashmiri children. General GJ Singh is open challenge to them. Let them show their videos.
Unfortunately, we don't do this.
We do not. General GJ Singh, General GJ.
That I am glad to see you moderating India's most watched television show at 9 p.m. again. Having said that, I would say this is no.
Thank you, sir.
Of the Pakistanis, I have been doing debates with them for the past 8 years. That they see the light and they deny it. They see the sun rising. They say no, it is darkness.
Omar.
It is their habit. It is the way they behave. It is inherited by them that they will always tell lies. Secondly, I would say that Indian Army has shown today to the Pakistanis how we really celebrate our Diwali at the border by giving them live show on their side, by hitting them with the anti-tank guided missiles and using the most precise guided ammunition. They have learned a lesson and they yet will deny it because it is an SOP of the Pakistanis that they always try to disturb, try to come in when we have celebrations of any festival, particularly when we have the Diwali festival. They always do this, and the only treatment for them is that we should advance this.
There's a reason. It's coming from somewhere.
Because that is the only language they understand.
If you need
they don't understand any other language.
No.
I have seen them over.
They're operating freely here.
8-9 years. And you know it. That these people are hardcore liars. They will never accept. They will always have been blaming that these videos are doctored.
I was asked. Did I just hear Omar Altaf say something? Viewers, 1 minute. Did I hear 1 minute, Mona? Mona, 1 minute. You can be on the screen. Let's get more in. Did I hear Omar Altaf say, "Do not test the resolve of the Pakistani army" or something like that? But Omar, Sanju, he said to me, do not test the resolve of the Pakistani army. Now, 1971, we tested the resolve of the Pakistani army and we broke your country into two pieces with 93,456 cowards in our custody. So what are you talking about? Chinese again. The Chinese are not going to help you.
I want to make one point very...
No, one second. We've given a bloody nose to the Chinese also. They're also in their place. Sanju. Sanju is back on the debate. Sanju.
Authenticity of videos where their launch pads are destroyed, where their bunkers are demolished. You do not believe the authenticity of videos where your bunkers are demolished and your launch pads are destroyed. Let me tell you 3 dates that you Pakistanis need to remember.
29
September 2016, when the Modi government carried out the surgical strikes. 26 February 2019, when the Modi government carried out the Balakot strike, going deep into the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa area, which no government in post-independent India's history has ever done. And then remember today, 13th November 2020, when you have been given a befitting reply for targeting civilians. Let me tell you, 10 to 12 Pakistani soldiers have been not only given a bloodied nose, but they have been killed because you dared to attack our civilians. Never forget the surgical strike. Never forget the Balakot strike, and don't forget November 13th. And let me remind you,
Arsalan is quiet, Mona is quiet, no response from the Indian side. Last 3 minutes on the debate.
Your government had the audacity to tell OIC, a Muslim majority body, that do not invite Sushma Swaraj as a guest. But OIC decided to invite India. You did not go to
Madam,
the OIC,
it's so convenient, right?
Sanju, it's
very convenient.
But a 57-member Muslim body could not care less. The OIC could not care less. The OIC is a Muslim majority body of 57 Muslim majority nations.
Why don't you remember 2019? It was just last year when we gave you a bloody note.
Sushma Swaraj was invited as a guest there. That shows the kind of sway that the Modi government has across the length and breadth of global geopolity, be it Arab nations, be it the United States, be it the Middle East, be it dehyphenating Israel and Palestine, and hence
what are you talking about? There's a UN report.
Today you stand
Do you know what UN report is, madam? UN report has said that
number one tonight.
harboring terrorists from Al-Qaeda and ISIS. Have you read the recent latest UN report on you Indians hiding and harboring ISIS and Al-Qaeda terrorists?
$5 billion. And you come and challenge a country like India, which has a GDP of almost
you deserve to be blacklisted by the FATF.
More than 10 times
you deserve
your
to be
size.
blacklisted by the
In
entire
this
global
battle between
community.
David and the Goliath, it is India, the Goliath, that is going to win.
I'm not speaking like a Pakistani. I'm speaking.
Please do not come and give a bhashan.
All neutrality.
Go back and see.
No, I'm not coming and giving any bhashan.
Be the brutal manner in which
मैं कोई भाषण नहीं दे रही आपको. आप one-sided tirade बोले जा रहे हो.
Be the destruction of the Islamic State of Afghanistan.
I want you to speak.
India
I will
has
wait
dealt
till
a
you
bloody
finish.
nose
But
whenever our territorial integrity has been questioned.
2019. Remember who gave who?
But you are not being able to respond, Mona.
Rafale has a combat radius of 3,700 kilometers.
2019,
whereas the combat
Abhinandan
radius
is
of J-20,
the living example of what bloody nose was given to the Indians by Pakistani.
Well, Abhinandan took his MiG and blew the living daylights out of your F-16s. Didn't he give you a lesson? He took his MiG and he blew the living daylights out of your F-16s. And then your assembly said that if we don't release Abhinandan, then the Indian army is going to blow the living daylights out of us the second time. The statement made in your assembly, ratified by your politicians, it was debated out there how your Qureshi or whatever your foreign minister at that time was, came and said, better release him, otherwise they're going to fire their Pinaka missiles at us. That is a fact. Ashok Pandit, they don't want to accept that if we want to actually show some Diwali firing, I think it is time, Ashok Pandit, we fire at least one Pinaka missile at them. One Pinaka missile in 40 seconds. 12 rockets, Pakistan is over. One Pinaka missile. The Meteor missile, air-to-air Meteor missile. No match. You got to understand. I think we should fire it this Diwali. Ashok,
the tea was
Ashok and Kamar, we should fire it on this
the
Diwali.
kind of arguments
I know the tea
these
was fantastic. It's the chilliest thing for you guys.
Absolutely, and it will happen. It will happen. We will celebrate. We will celebrate Diwali, Eid, Christmas, all the festivals on Pakistan by firing and demolishing them. There is that and destroying them. There is no two opinions on that. Mona ji and other Pakistani panelists are mentioning about China. अरे सुनिए ना, आप चाइना और दूसरे देशों की बातें करना बंद कर दीजिए. वो बाकी देशों को हमारी सरकार, नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार हैंडल कर लेगी. आप अपने देश की चिंता करिए. आपके देश का सर्वनाश हो चुका है और होने वाला है. आप अपने देश की चिंता करिए.
कमर,
अरे आप अपने देश की चिंता करिए.
The chances that he will come in power will increase. So Narendra Modi needs dead bodies of Indian soldiers. Get ready, India. India, get ready. Modi needs your blood.
Okay, now let me tell you. Let me tell you, Kamar, last minute, 1 minute on the debate. Viewers, Kamar, close your eyes, Kamar, close your eyes. RSN is on the debate, RSN will debate the last 1 minute. RSN, I say close their eyes. And on the one side, RSN is the BrahMos supersonic missile. You put it on a Sukhoi, it has a range of 400 kilometers. Successfully tested.
You won't be able to use those.
4,292 tanks waiting to get you.
That is why we have
1 minute. On the other side, अरे chill yaar, chill, CHILL. Oh, chill, you Pakistani, chill. On the other side, you've got something called the Babar 2 cruise missile. Recently, you tested the Babar 2. Then you lit the match, Babar 2 went up. And it came crashing to the ground in 5 minutes, RSN. The Babar 2 missile tested by the Pakistanis came crashing down to earth in 5 minutes.
Your city will not be there. So keep this in mind. When we will plan something,
then you
won't be in a position
RSN, last word. I started with RSN, end with him. My studio is fine, don't worry. My studio, my network, our country is absolutely fine.
Yes, not you. He said, about this, he mentioned something, China, casualties, etc. Now, if he must see those visuals of that fresh graveyard, in Tibet of Chinese soldiers. And I'm sure he knows how to count till 100. He knows how to count till 100. Show him in the next program, whenever he comes, please show him the visuals. Show him the visuals and see the number of graves. Count it. Tell your children what was the count like. And this I said this timing is so sinister. They think that they can prevent India from interfering in China-Pakistan economic corridor by targeting the Kashmiris. That is not going to happen. Our infrastructure has continued unabated. We are there right now. Then take it from me, China-Pakistan economic corridor
and viewers
materialize.
Viewers, as I wrap tonight, I want to tell you, as Narendra Modi has said, we should light a diya. # salute to soldiers who fearlessly protect our nation. We should all think about them and pay a homage to those who have laid down their lives defending our nation today. Viewers, on the other side tonight, the Bollywood drug mafia investigation is picking up. More on that in a few minutes.